Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You're ready. Open the Notes app or swipe from bottom right for a quick note. Choose a destination folder so organization starts now. Tap the screen, use the keyboard for typed bullets or Apple Pencil for fast sketches. This speeds capture and reduces edits later. Once you have a title, add one-line context, date, app reference, or short tag. Make sure to pin or favorite the note so you can access it instantly. Now enrich the note. Insert a photo or scan a document to preserve details, or paste a link to the app you were using. Use markup to annotate images and PDFs. This clarifies intent and saves a second step. Convert lines to checklist items for tasks, or add headings with bold text to separate ideas. Once done, apply tags and move the note to a project folder so retrieval stays fast and logical. Finish by giving the note a clear title, and if needed, lock or share it immediately so collaborators see the context. Make sure iCloud Sync is enabled under Settings Notes so your note appears across devices. If the note seems gone, check Recently Deleted and iCloud status. Toggle Wi-Fi or force Quit Notes, then reopen it. As a last resort, restart the iPad. This often resolves sync hiccups and restores recent changes.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.